Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be putting a new bumper. You know, I say that as like you can get new bumpers, but we're going to be putting a new bumper on the Turbo Datsun, and we're going to be switching over the blinker lenses because the ones I have on my other used-to-be bumper were very nice. Now, what used to be on here was the stock mounts, and it was the support that was under the stock bumper, and it was just a pretty much big old bar that kind of curved around and did some other stuff. And today we're going to be putting a full stock bumper back on here. And I know that I have the lower valence I need to, clean up, but that's for another day. So, first things first, I'm going to set my keys down, and I'm going to be making this process easy with an impact. What you're probably going to want to do, if you're using this as a tutorial to take a bumper off, just do this in the opposite. I have 5 bumper bolts because my other ones have disappeared, and I'm going to take 2 of them, 2 good ones, and simply just pull this up. Weighs about, I would say 40 pounds, but that seems a little light. Gonna line it up. Oops. Have a blatant disregard for my paint over there, and hold this up with my head and get one bolt somewhere started. So everyone, that took way too long. The bolts didn't want to line up. They were pretty sure they were all cross-threaded. I think that, yeah, I only have a few of them in there. You can hardly tell, but it was terrible. Sad because that's how bad they were. Right here, this is sort of touching the fender because this bumper sat with that side on the ground, so it pushed it in a little bit. But now I get to do the blinkers, and we'll call it good. check out that difference. Boom. That's why I wanted those back in. Lastly, before you button this up, you're going to want to plug in the last couple strings under the bumper. Now after you do that, it's going to be good. And then you can be done. So simple as that. This is the finished product. Check it out. I don't have it bolted over here onto the fender, but I don't think that's going to be a big deal. Look at those little bit darker lenses there. There's just the little touches that can make your vehicle look so much different. And I obviously don't have it bolted over here, but it's kind of in, so I'm not worried about it. Please do like this video. I stood out in the cold for like half hour just to make it, and it was a pain. Where the bolt goes into, those were stripped and cross-threaded and mangled so bad. I'm gonna have to retap them or something. So please do like the video, and if you decide to subscribe to the channel, if you're not already, do touch the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.